I'm not sure if you can see, but look at the mosquitoes that's swarming at me right now. Gray clouds, the holy. Oh, again, because, no. I feel like we're walking into a big, dark, gray clouds here. This is supposed to be just like a day hike, but I'm not sure what I'm thinking. Today we are taking the Gray Owl Trail. We're not going all the way to Gray Owl's cabin, and we are just gonna stop or stay the night probably in one of the campsites along the way. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but the campground that I'm registered to is about 6.7 kilometers from the trailhead. I'm not sure how long is that going to take me, but yeah, we are going. Okay, there are a couple of things that worries me so far. One is, of course, the weather. The dark clouds rolled in as soon as I parked and as soon as I started the trail. Two is how crazy the mosquitoes are in here. Ah. Holy cow. I did put on some bug spray, so I think that really helped. And the shell jacket helped with that as well, because they can't, poke through the shell jacket. So, okay, I think we are a third away from our campsite. Let's keep going and see if it's suitable to stay for the night, then we'll stay for the night. If it's not worth it, let's just go all the way back and then drive straight home and rest in a proper bed. Okay, let's go. Okay, I think it's starting to rain. I've seen pattern of drops in the lake in here, so I don't know how far I still have to go, but let's keep going. Bye. Oh wow. The sky is getting darker. Let's keep moving. Okay, so the one that we're trying to go is 3.4 kilometers away, and parking is 3.3 kilometers away. The end of this trail is 16.6, and we're not gonna go there. Gray Owl's cabin is heading that way, so. Ooh, there are charred wood in here. Someone must have set fire in here. Ooh, what are these? These are animal prints. This could be some hooves of some sort. So this could be like an elk or whatever, which is interesting. So earlier, I think I'm seeing some hooves like prints, but right now, this seems like more of a different kind of animal. I'm gonna show you the prints here, and I'll let you decide. Those doesn't look like some. So the trail has diverted from the forest trail to the lakeshore. I'm not sure why. I can see a marker though. I'm not sure if that is a juncture that we have to go back into the forest trail. But let's see. So this is the part where we merge back into the forest. So let's go. So I can start to feel some raindrops right now. I'll speed up. I'm not sure how many kilometers that I still have to cover. Yeah, we're pushing this because I don't want to get soaking wet on the trail. If I keep on walking and moving, it seems alright, but if I stop, I'll get swarmed again. This is crazy, but this kind of helps me as well because it pushes me to just go on instead of stopping every single time. But yeah, I hope when I get to the campground, it's not as bad as this. Otherwise, I think I'm just gonna call it a day and go back. I don't know. Okay, here we are. Here's our campsite for the night. Let's check it out. Okay, here's one. Okay, this is actually a pretty decent trail. We've got a bench here and a table. We have a fire in there. I think this is where I could pitch my tent, and there is one over there too. So this is good, but the bugs are crazy, and it's driving me crazy right now. Okay. Okay. I apologize for my hair, but at this point, if you're gonna ask me if I'm staying here overnight with these bugs, I don't know. I'm not so sure about that. It's good that the sky has cleared up a bit, which is a good sign because that just means probably we'll get a good weather. But the bugs are driving me crazy, man. My decision to wear the shell jacket along the way is really good, though it is. I'm all sweaty right now. Good thing it has this zipper on the sides, which is very helpful. I think what I'm gonna do now, before heading back, I don't think this is very appealing for me to camp. This is a really good campsite though. I'm telling you that there is a toilet up ahead, which is very good, which is something I did not get the last time. But I just don't think I can stay here for the night. So what I'm gonna do is eat food because I'm super hungry right now. I actually did not have lunch whatsoever, and it's already 6 p.m. So I am super hungry right now. So I'm gonna heat some water, eat this food that I've got, and make myself dinner. Oh, so good. Okay, for dinner, we have ready to eat habanero chili rice, which is good. So when I'm at home, I usually just microwave this and then it's good to eat. But in here outside, initially thinking of like have a water bath and then just heat it up in there. Or I could probably pour this on this directly, but I don't want to do that. So what I'm gonna do, pour some hot water in here and I hope that works. it's hot enough or warm enough. Oh wow. Mm-hmm. It tastes different than how I remember it. The rice isn't really cooked. Maybe it really needs microwave to cook it down. But this will do for now. I might need a little bit of water in there too. Anything that you eat in the field is like 10 times better. Yeah, I don't know. It's the magic of the wilderness. I don't know if you heard that, but you know what? If I stay here a little bit longer, I might not make it back to the parking lot. It's already 6:20. So if my plan is to not stay here tonight, then I might just pack out, head back as soon as I could, because I think it's starting to rain now. Okay, no more talking. Pack it up. Let's go. Okay, it is starting to rain. Yeah. Okay, so since there is a very high risk of me not making it dry into the parking lot, I will see you guys down in the parking lot and update you when I'm there. I'm gonna keep this camera safe in my pack. So, bye guys. Wish me luck. Okay, it's starting to rain now, like crazy. I should really keep going. I don't think this bag has a... Okay, I do have a poncho that I can use, so I'm definitely gonna use this. Okay. Okay, bud. Okay. I don't think this is gonna work. I think plan has changed again. I'm gonna set up my tent. This is big. If I don't start now, I might end up... Holy shit. This is a very critical decision that I have to make. Nope. You're going. Okay guys, we are setting up tent. Okay, I think I'll stay for the night here. Okay. Okay. You know what? I think there is still some hope for me. Look at that, sun is shining beautifully, but I'm not sure which direction the clouds are going. If it's going up there, then that might be a problem for me. But if it's going up there, then that is good for me because I'm going south right now. And it is pretty going south. Everything's going south right now. So, okay. This is a very critical decision. This could make or break this trip. And I have to do a decision now, okay? Okay, my heart is telling me to just go home. My original intention is not to stay overnight. I just got myself a permit just in case I want to stay overnight. The weather is not looking good. I mean, this is okay if my intention is to really stay overnight, but it is not. But again, in my previous video, someone talked trash and called me city boy, that I should just stay indoors and stop making videos. And I think this is one of the reasons why they thought of that, because this guy doesn't even know what to do outside. It's nothing compared to their experiences. Probably they've done this all their lives. This is my second time doing this. I would give myself a chance and not tell other people, tell me to stop making videos, just stay indoors. Basically say, shut up. Okay, the rain has actually stopped, so this is a very good sign and opportunity for me to go back. This is good though. This is a good campsite. I would stay here another night if that was really my intention. Yeah, enough of the talking. I'll probably just keep you in the bag because I don't want you to get wet. And I'll see you down at the parking lot. Bye. Wish me luck. Okay, it's 7 p.m. If I'm actually with a person who really knows the outdoors, I'd probably ask a lot of questions to that person. Probably starting with the things that, you know, you find in the trail that could potentially help you or harm you. I think those are the things that I wanted to learn, and the flora and the fauna side of things. There's mosquitoes. For example, I've seen a lot of mushrooms like that. Is that something that I should keep away from? Or in terms of need, is that something that I could potentially benefit from? So, oops, just gonna go through this fallen tree here. Yeah, so it would be really nice to do these things with someone who actually knows the outdoors and potentially guide me and share a lot of knowledge. I think the best thing that I could do right now is watch a lot of YouTube videos and potentially gain knowledge from them. Yeah, I don't have the knowledge, so there are a lot of things I didn't know, which limits my experience in the outdoors. So I'm really looking forward to that, and I hope one day I'll get that knowledge from someone I trust. So yeah. Oh wow, it's so peaceful and calm. Wow, it is so peaceful, so quiet. I'm here. I'm just thankful for the opportunities to be able to do this, to be able to do the things that I've been doing and the things that I'm about to do. I'm just thankful. I just hope my family back home gets to experience this, but I know I can't. Might be a little bit selfish, but I just wish that they're here with me right now, like enjoying little things that I get to enjoy. But I guess that's just life. I should head back. 8:14. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Wow. The sun is actually just so nice right now, but I'm on my way home. Yeah, the rain actually stopped, the sky cleared up. So yeah, but then again, I'm not 100% committed to camping out tonight. Again, my purpose was just to do day hike and test my stamina and all that stuff, just to go out there, because this is basically just a preparation of what's to come in August. So oops, sorry. Anyways, I'll see you guys. I'll just drive out. I'd probably hit the road, get some dinner. Thanks again, guys, for coming along. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao. It's a nice sunset. I mean, no regrets. He is a big boy.